hole making. We'll see how long it makes us to double plant a row. Just went through and sharpened my points on the grinder. I may only have that, so it makes it hard to push in and it doesn't get all the way through the plastic sometimes. Having some points on it will help that. It does a pretty good job. Faster than the other hole maker, and especially when you're making 10 holes at a time. These are curved, what are they, 28 degree? No, 28 to 45 degree street elbows. They seem to work better than anything else. But it makes holes pretty quick, pretty uniform.